इमरान खान की साबिक अहलिया जमामा गोल्डस्मिथ कहती हैं कि उनकी फिल्म 10 साला तजुर्बे पर मबनी है। फिल्म बनाने का मकसद पाकिस्तान को दुनिया भर में दिखाना था। बदकिस्मती से पाकिस्तान से मुतालिक बुरी खबरें बड़े पर्दे पर दिखाई जाती हैं। मैं पाकिस्तान की मुस्बत तस्वीर दिखाना चाहती हूँ। लाहौर के खूबसूरत सकाफती रंगों को दुनिया भर में दिखाने की कोशिश की। जमामा गोल्डस्मिथ बोल न्यूज़ के नुमाइंदा मोइन जुबैर को खुसूसी इंटरव्यू दे रही थी।
Jemima, thank you so much for giving time to BOL News. And as a journalist, it's part of my duty to record interviews like celebrities like you. But today, I'm really honored to record your interview.
Thank you.
Yeah. You gave a very deep and inside view of Pakistani culture through your film. Tell us about the inspiration behind this film.
Well, I can tell you that it's inspired by my 10 years of living in Pakistan, obviously, and that my intention behind it was to make a film that celebrated Pakistan and Pakistanis on the world stage. You know, we don't often see Pakistan in Technicolor on the big screen. We see black and white bad news about Pakistan. And when Pakistanis are in big global mainstream films, it's normally like Zero Dark 30 or Homeland, where they're the terrorists or the like shady ISI operatives or suicide bombers, frankly. And it gets a bit depressing. You know, my Pakistani friends and also my children get a bit depressed always being presented like that. And so I wanted to do something more colourful and more hopeful and more fun and show a bit of the beauty of Lahore and the architecture and the music and the food and the colour and the Mehndi dances, etc. And I just really hope that Pakistanis like it.
Okay, Jemima, your film is going to be released on 3rd of March in Pakistan. A few minutes back, I've watched the trailer of this film. What I have perceived through watching this trailer, you talk about love and arranged marriages. Is it so?
It's a British Asian rom-com.
Okay.
And in it...
What do you suggest, love or arranged marriages?
I don't suggest either. As in, I don't think one is better necessarily than the other, and I don't think the film is saying that either. All it is saying is that the preconceptions that a lot of Westerners who don't have experience in Pakistan or haven't met Pakistanis who had arranged marriage have a tendency to look down on the idea of arranged marriage and think of it as an outdated tradition. And I think the film puts forward the idea that A, it's not that alien. The British royal family were doing arranged marriages up until the last generation. And also, B, what it's, you know, evolved into, which is essentially an introduction by the people who know you best and love you the most, is not such a bad idea when you think that so many people in the West are having their partners chosen by a random algorithm on a dating app. So I think the point of view was to interrogate both methods of finding a life partner and love, and to look at the ideas of, you know, I remember I always used to hear people saying, we don't start with love, we end with love with arranged marriage. You start with love, but you end up falling out of love. We simmer, then boil. We don't fall into love, we walk into it. And I was interested in that as an idea, and so that's where the film idea came from.
Okay, Jemima, despite the fact you are not in Pakistan, but here in Pakistan you have a huge fan following. Any special message for those who are still in link with you or your fans?
Any message?
Yeah, special message.
Special message is thank you so much for all the love and warmth that I've always experienced from Pakistan. And I really hope you enjoy the film. And I really hope you understand the intention behind it, which was that it was made with a lot of love for the country and the people.
Okay, what was the reaction of Qasim and Suleiman after watching this film?
They really liked it. I was terrified to show them because they're my harshest critics, and they they were really moved by it, and I think they were proud.
Okay. Which human cause is close to your heart?
Which what?
Human cause. Any
human cause? You mean like charity?
Yeah.
You mean like charity? Well, I don't have one particular thing, but I definitely, I've been trying to raise money for the floods in Pakistan because, the news cycle moves on so fast. It's really hard to keep the attention on a humanitarian disaster of that scale because the news cycle moves on, and then there's earthquakes in Turkey and Syria, and there's all sorts of other disasters. So I tried to do my best to raise money and awareness around the floods.
Okay. How was your experience working with Pakistani artists?
Great. I love Sajjal Ali. I think she's an amazing actress. I think she's incredibly talented, and I think she's a real star.
Okay. You are not in Pakistan. I'm repeating this question. You are not in Pakistan, but Pakistanis still love you. Why? What is the reason that Jemima Khan is still in love with Pakistan?
Oh, goodness. Well, I have Pakistani kids, half Pakistani kids.
Okay.
I feel like I grew up in Pakistan. It's such a formative time, your 20s. I spent them there. Mm-hmm. And I get so much love from Pakistanis, way more than I get here. So I feel very close to the country, and I don't know why. You explain, but it's part of me now. It's not going to ever be any different. It's a part of me.
Okay. Expectations about the film. It's going to be released on 3rd of March in Pakistan.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Expectations from Pakistani market.
God, well, I'm a bit scared, but I hope people will enjoy it.
Inshallah, people will enjoy it. Thank you so much, Jemima. It was a very nice interview with you. And the love, the affection you have shown to Pakistani people, inshallah, Pakistani will pay back to you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Jemima.
जिंदगी एक मैदान है और PSL 8 में हर टीम को छूना आसमान है।
6 टीमों के बीच धुआंधार लड़ाई।
ये शोर न लड़ाई का है न डर का, ये शोर है जीत का,
ये शोर है जुनून का।
खेल का जुनून रोजाना रात 11 बजे सिर्फ बोल न्यूज पर।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।